Alright, so this may not be the most efficient way. You can still get into the single player if you just start the game with your internet connection off. That will give you the option to create a offline account. So anyways, what I did was I went to go to the link in the video description. That's battlefield2142.co. So as it says, you gotta have a legitimate version of the game. Mine is from a disc, so the first thing I did was download the version 1.51 patch. So it is an exe, so all you do is boot it up and just auto-run it, and it's assuming you have Battlefield 2142 installed to a normal location, it will install it just fine. Mine was in like the default Electronics Arts folder in the program file, so just install it to wherever Battlefield 2142 is installed on your machine. Now I'm not showing you all the steps listed on here, just the ones I did. The other thing I did was get Battlefield 2142 Hub 2, which you can get here on ModDB. Now once you have this, it'll boot up just like this. So once you have this up, go to this help icon right here, and then you'll see OpenSpy right here, and just install this. It'll let you get into an online account if you so choose. Then whenever you're ready, just start the game with the Let's Play button right here, and it will bring you to the main screen. So I already have an account, but once you're here, you can go ahead and create an account and just go through the motions of doing that. It'll create an account for Battlefield 2142 Hub, which will let you log in as if you were contacting the regular EA master server, and you can play online and all that. Like I said, if you don't want to do that, you just want to play single player, start your game with your internet disconnected and create an offline account. Okay, so as far as the mods I installed for this video, I installed a single player mod and a reshade. So for the single player mod, go to the link in the video description, that SP minimod I think it's called. Now what the mod does is it unlocks all the sizes of all the maps for single player, and when you open up the single player mod zip file, it will look like this. It doesn't actually have its own folder, so what you need to do is go to your Battlefield 2142 installation directory. If you don't have a folder in there called mods, just create one. And inside of that, you need to create another folder. It doesn't matter what you call it. I just called mine SP_mod. Now I've already done this, but open the mod folder you created, and then just drag everything from the zip file into there. Then when you turn on the 2142 Hub, right here you can see game mod, and I can select SP mod and just boot it up, and the game will start with it active. If you are not using 2142 Hub 2, just start your game and go to the community tab and custom games, select the mod and click activate. I think that's how it works on 2142. It's how it works on all the other ones, but I'm not sure because I'm using 2142 Hub 2. Now as far as the reshade goes, that link is also in the video description. It's a reshade from the Reclamation Project mod, but I'm just using it on regular 2142. So download it and open the zip file, and you'll have this kind of stuff in it. And just go back to the main directory of 2142, and take all this stuff inside and just drag it into the game directory, and it should be good to go when you start your game. Now, one other thing, if you're gonna want to change your bot number with the single player mod, go back into your Battlefield 2142 directory, go to mods, and into the folder you created for it, and then go to AI, and AI default, open that up with the text editor. Now, what I did was I took this selection down here, past begin rem and end rem, and I changed it to what I wanted, which is 64 bots. You can set the bot skill. Just take all these 4 lines and copy them. And I believe before you change it, there's only 3 lines up here. But anyways, just paste it over that, have them both the same, and just save the file. If it's telling you that you can't change the text file, go into the properties of it and go to security, and then change the permissions of it. For instance, go to like users of your desktop or something, and just click full control and hit apply and OK, and then you should be able to modify it. I think that about does it. I hope I haven't gotten anything wrong. I'm pretty sure this is exactly what I did to get the game playing how it is for me now, so I hope this helped you guys out.